What is up guys, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wix Booking, and this is a tutorial for absolute beginners who are new in this domain. So first you need to head over to your Wix Studio website, and then you need to choose your site. Let's say I am selecting this site, and after selecting the site, this will load in your dashboard. And after that, when this loads here in your dashboard on the left side, you will see the apps section. Click on this apps section or hover to it, and after that here you will see the app market. So just simply click on this app market, and then here you will open the app market of multiple apps. So here in the search app you just need to type bookings, and after typing bookings here you will see the extension of Wix Bookings. Click on that, and this is free to install, so you don't need to worry. Simply click on this add to site, and after that this will start adding it to your site. As you can see, this is adding Wix Bookings to your site. And after adding, this will start preparing your site with that particular booking extension. So when this loads here, you will see it in some time. And after that, as you can see, it has shown me the pop-up of Wix Bookings. So to create my first service, I'll just click on Create Service. And after clicking on Create Service here, I will be redirected to the dashboard of the booking service. And as you can see here, there are multiple services that you can choose from, but we will start from scratch. So I'll just click on Start from Scratch. And after that, here, as you can see, you first have to name your service, and then you need to add your tagline. And after that, you just simply need to add a description, but these two are optionals. And you can also generate the AI description, and you need to set the duration and the buffer time. This is mandatory, so you really need to set this up. And after that, you just simply need to set up the price and the payment, like you want to charge clients on per session with a plan or per session or with a plan. You can just choose from these, and then you can select the price type, which is the fixed type or free. And after that, you can also select the amount and the payment preferences. And then you just simply need to add the location, the video conferencing, the assigned staff, and the resource and rooms, images, booking preferences, online bookings, booking forms, and booking request. And when you are done, you just simply need to click on the save here on the right side. And after that, your booking service will be saved. So I'll just enter a random amount here, and I'll try to save it. And as you can see, my first service is saved. And after that, I can also add a new service, or I can share my current service. So this is how you can set your booking services in Wix Studio. And then you can also add some new services from here. You can set your hours, upgrade your plan, or you can request the payment automatically. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.